Donald Trump has become the first former United States president ever sentenced for a crime. Please watch till the end, as this news will make your day. Before we proceed, please take some precious seconds of your time and click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to receive the latest updates from us. But the U.S. president-elect avoided penalties for his conviction for falsifying business documents in relation to hush money payments made to an adult film actress. Judge Juan Merchan sentenced Trump to an unconditional discharge on Friday, a day after the U.S. Supreme Court rejected an attempt by Trump's legal team to delay the sentencing, which took place before the Republican leader's inauguration on January 20th. The decision means that Trump's conviction will appear on his permanent record, but he does not face imprisonment, a fine, or probation, leaving him unencumbered to enter the White House. Trump, who previously served as president from 2017 to 2021, was found guilty in late May on 34 counts of falsifying business documents related to a $130,000 payment made to Stormy Daniels, among other things. The U.S. president-elect has denied any wrongdoing and said he plans to appeal his conviction. Appearing virtually at Friday's sentencing hearing, Trump said his criminal trial and conviction had been a very terrible experience and insisted he committed no crime. "It's been a political witch hunt," Trump said before the judge issued his decision. "It was done to damage my reputation so I would lose the election, and obviously that didn't work." Prosecutors in the New York case had argued that the hush money payments aimed to conceal allegations of a sexual relationship with Daniels that could have been politically damaging. The payments were made ahead of the 2016 U.S. presidential election, which saw Trump defeat Democrat Hillary Clinton to win the White House. Trump, who pleaded not guilty in the case, has denied any sexual relationship took place. Reporting from Washington, D.C. on Friday morning, Al Jazeera's Alan Fisher said prosecutors had argued it was important that Donald Trump was held responsible. The judge himself said this was a unique and difficult case, but in the end, he decided that the sentence had to be an unconditional discharge, Fisher said. Under New York's penal code, a court can sentence a defendant to an unconditional discharge if it is of the opinion that no proper purpose would be served by imposing any condition upon the defendant's release. Earlier this week, Trump's lawyers had asked the Supreme Court to delay the sentencing to prevent grave injustice and harm to the institution of the presidency and the operations of the federal government. They argued that a ruling last year by the top court grants presidents broad immunity from criminal prosecution, and that means some of the evidence should not have been presented in the case. But a majority of the justices on the Supreme Court said in a decision late on Thursday that the alleged evidentiary violations at Trump's state court trial can be addressed in the ordinary course on appeal. They also said the burden that sentencing will impose on Trump's responsibilities is relatively insubstantial in light of the trial court's stated intent to impose a sentence of unconditional discharge after a brief virtual hearing. Now that he has been sentenced, Trump is free to pursue the appeal, a process that could take years and play out while he is serving his second four-year term as president. Today's event was a despicable charade, and now that it is over, we will appeal this hoax which has no merit and restore the trust of Americans in our once great system of justice, Trump wrote on his Truth Social platform after his sentencing. Thanks for watching. Please kindly let us know what you think about this in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.